Hello everyone. In this video I'll be doing a review of the chocolate bar Milka Alpine Milk. Pretty cool. It's a very large chocolate bar and I'm excited to try this one out. It is very milky and it reminds me of like a Kinder Surprise but in a chocolate bar form. That's absolutely amazing. This one was imported from Poland. My girlfriend got it for me and I'm excited to try this out. So I unfortunately cannot read the back of the label here, but I can kind of transcribe what it says. So per 100 grams, no, I'll go with the 27.7 grams. I'm going to assume that that's a serving of this. So per that amount, there's 147 calories, 8.2 grams of fat, 16 grams of carbohydrates, saccharides. That's kind of, I can translate that word. It looks like 1.8 grams of protein, pretty cool, and 100 milligrams of sodium. Impressed with my ability to read that because it's not in any language. There's multiple languages on here, can't read them all, but that's pretty cool. So I want to give this a try because I like trying imported foods and I love chocolate. So I have 4 little pieces here and they just break apart like that and it's just pure chocolate with an amazing taste. Very milky. Feels like Kinder Surprise. But I think I honestly like the taste better than a Kinder Surprise, which I'm very shocked to say because this is like one of my favorite types of chocolate. It's really good. Also 2 pieces. It's amazing. It's sweet like Kinder Surprise, but it has a stronger taste. It's a bit more bold. And the aftertaste like sits in your mouth a little bit longer. And it tastes more like cocoa. So it's very chocolatey in its flavor. And I find it's a little bit more intense than Kinder Surprise. Another thing about Kinder Surprise, they're very thin, so this is like a pure chocolate. I wonder if there was a Kinder Surprise actual chocolate bar like that, what they would taste like. I think I'd still prefer the Milka. That's really good. It's got an amazing taste to it. So I'd give the Milka chocolate, I'll hold it up here, a 9 out of 10. It's a really good tasting chocolate bar and it's very large. Alpine Milk, delicious. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.